What should we do if we have E03 and E07 alarm? First, remove all dust filters with the power off. Clean the dust filter with compressed air. Turn on the power. After the fan starts working, clean the condenser with compressed air. Turn off the power. Open the front door. Find the fluoride nozzle. Unscrew the fluoride nozzle on both sides. Use a tool to poke the thimble inside the fluoride nozzle's fill pressure. If the fluoride pressure is too small, there may be fluorine leakage in the equipment. After finding the leak point, please contact our professional after-sales staff or 24-hour service hotline. What should I do when the chiller has an E04 alarm? First, open the chiller baffle, then remove the electric control box baffle. Use a multimeter to measure the circuit board and the upper and the lower end spaces in sequence. Whether there is a defect in the voltage between two of the three live wires. The normal voltage is between plus and minus 10% of 380 volts. If there is an abnormal voltage in it, need to check whether your main power circuit voltage is normal. If the above voltage are detected as normal, any two live wires of the power cord can be interchanged. If the above adjustment still cannot solve your problem, please contact our professional after-sales staff or 24-hour service hotline. What to do if your device has an E05 alarm? First, remove the side bezel. Remove the filter with a tool, then clean the filter with compressed air. Washing with water will be cleaner. Install the filter. Find the pump. Feel if the pump vibrates and the wind blows out. If none of the above, need to open the top cover of the pump. Check whether the pump capacitor is deformed or bulged. If the above phenomenon, need to replace the capacitor. If none of the above, check the pump voltage with a multimeter. Normal value is 220 volts plus or minus 10%. After testing, please inform the after-sales personnel of the testing results. What to do when your chiller has an E09 alarm? Must remember to turn off the power, open the shutter, find the room temperature probe. Check if the probe is loose or in poor contact. Then check the probe wire if there any breakage or damage. The same method is used for high-power chillers. Open the shutter, find the room temperature probe, check if the probe is loose or in poor contact. Then check whether the probe wire is broken or damaged. Install the baffle. If the above method cannot be resolved, you can contact our professional after-sales staff. What to do when your chiller has an E12 alarm? Method 1. First, open the side baffle. Adjust normal temperature flue valve counterclockwise to the maximum. After adjustment is complete, it can be turned on. Observe whether it can be used normally. Method 2. If still not working normally, turn on the power to observe the flow rate of the normal temperature water outlet. If the flow is too small or no flow, the control valve needs to be replaced. Method 3. Turn on the power and observe the flow rate of the normal temperature return water port. If the flow is too small or low flow, you need to clean the outlet and the return pipes. Unplug the outlet and the return pipes. Clean water pipes with an air gun. This fix it.